Annual Sowthistles are weeds with aggressive growth habits. They easily overtake grass and other plants, and they can also cause irritation on contact. In this video, we'll show you how to spot annual Sowthistles, how to control these weeds on your property, and how to prevent them from growing back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Annual Sowthistles are broadleaf weeds that grow to be 1 to 4.5 feet tall. These weeds grow vertical, smooth stems and bluish-green leaves. Leaves higher up on the stems grow smaller than the lower leaves. The lower leaves grow up to 8 inches long. The upper ends of stems branch into several flower heads, growing bright yellow flowers that later develop into puffy seed heads. Be aware that annual Sowthistle looks very similar to another weed, perennial Sowthistle. While both plants are of the same genus, they are different species that require different approaches to treatment. The annual Sowthistle only reproduces with seeds, so each plant dies out after every season. The perennial Sowthistle grows rhizomes, allowing the plant to survive multiple growing seasons. To tell the two weeds apart, observe their flowers and leaves. Annual Sowthistles grow smaller flowers up to 2.3 centimeters in diameter, and their leaves grow deeply lobed with sharper angles. Perennial Sowthistles grow larger flowers up to 3 centimeters in diameter, and their leaves are rounder, lobed leaves with weak marginal prickles. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Annual Sowthistle commonly grows in moist, fertile soil that regularly sees full sunlight, but they can also grow in a wider range of environments. Typical sites include lawns, roadsides, pastures, gardens, and other disturbed sites. Unlike perennial Sowthistles, annual Sowthistles complete their life cycles over a single growing season. They must regrow from seed each year. Plants germinate from seed from spring to fall and produce flowers 9 weeks after germination. Annual Sowthistles are easiest to spot when they're flowering from March to October. Seed production will start about 1 week after flowers bloom. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of annual Sowthistles already established on your property, apply post-emergent herbicides to kill weeds before they can reproduce. In areas with warm season turf, check out Fahrenheit Herbicide. Spot applications with this product should be made at the labeled rate of 0.2 ounces mixed into 1 gallon of water to be applied over every 1,000 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your product with a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. To enhance this product's efficacy, mix in a surfactant like Nanotech. Nanotech is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. Just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. If you have weeds growing on properties with cool season grasses, we recommend 2,4-diamine. The labeled application rate for spot treatments with this product is 1/4 of a pint of concentrate mixed into 3 gallons of water, or 1 2/3 fluid ounces of concentrate mixed into 1 gallon of water. With your solution, spot treat any weed you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with Fahrenheit range from 4 to 6 weeks. Reapplication intervals with 2,4-diamine range from 21 to 30 days. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before the plant is ready to reproduce. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To stop new weeds from growing from seed, check out Dimension 2EW herbicide. This product has both post-emergent and pre-emergent applications, but we'll focus on its pre-emergent uses for now. Pre-emergent herbicides create chemical barriers that stop weeds from sprouting or emerging. To prevent new plants from growing from seed, mix 0.73 fluid ounces of the product into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Broadcast the product over your treatment area, then after 6 hours, water the area with about half an inch of irrigation. We also recommend you promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Consider applying a fertilizer like Solutions 15-510 Weed and Feed with Trimec. This product is a slow-release fertilizer that will provide lawns with essential nutrients and fight against weed development. With a push spreader, apply 3.2 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. When applied properly, your grass will receive a boost in health, while the built-in herbicide will control established weeds. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris. And employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can get rid of annual Sowthistles on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.